Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to unblock Roblox in Google Chrome. First, check if Roblox is being blocked by your network, firewall, or Windows security system. You can temporarily disable any firewall or antivirus software blocking the game. Next, go to your Chrome settings. On the settings, go to Privacy and Security and go to Site Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called JavaScript. And make sure your Roblox is not added. Not allowed to use JavaScript. If the game is added here, you won't be able to play it or it will remain blocked. Also, if you're on a restricted network, such as school or work, using a secure VPN can also help access Roblox. Once these steps are done, refresh Chrome and open Roblox to play without restrictions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.